In this video, we will be going through the steps involved with creating a template for an Intel Western for blocking buffer evaluation. So here in the template library, you're going to click on Click Template and type in the name that you want to use. Give it any kind of description that you would like. Then under Assay, you can choose either Intel Western or ELISA. I'm going to choose Intel Western with a 96 well plate format, and then choose blocker evaluation. Now I'll be setting this up just like the preset that is already available, just for reference. So first off, you're going to select the wells that have the background. Now the background wells have not been treated with any kind of cell stain, but have been treated with secondary antibody. Click Set as Background and give it the name here. And then click Next. And then we're going to set our positive controls. And click the Set as Positive button right here. And give it whatever name that you would like to have. If there are values associated with them, you can set that there, and then also add a description if needed. Now we're going to set our negative controls. And again, give it whatever name is useful for you. And then if you have additional samples on here that you want to be evaluated, you can add those as well. Next, here in groups, we're going to select this set right here as a group. So this would be if you had different blocking buffers and different antibody combinations that you were testing all on one plate, and you wanted to analyze these all separately. And then down here under name, you would add any information that is useful. And then once you have added all of your names to there, you click on Next. And then you have the reports here listing out everything that you have set for the template. Thank you.